Well, good day everybody. It's Dr. A back in the garden, and today I want to show you a really cool perennial. It's a ground cover, and it's right beside some begonias you can see with those beautiful red flowers. This is Creeping Jenny or Creeping Charlie, depending on your gender mood, and it just creeps around. It is a great ground cover. There are some hellebores over here and a couple of other plants, but you'll notice that it creeps into bare areas and will soon cover them. It's aggressive, but certainly not invasive. And if you like that yellow color, even from a distance, this plant, Creeping Charlie, Creeping Jenny, or botanically Lysimachia, it's easy to find, easy to grow. For even more information, go to my app, Armitage's Great Garden Plants, and you'll get even more cool stuff. Have fun. Come see me. Beautiful Athens, Georgia. All the best.